Bhavapati.
Yes, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, the page, my lord. Page, my lord.
With service Bhavapati video.
Previously, my lord, I submitted the affidavit of service, my lord. Yesterday they have appeared, my lord. Affidavit service is record, my lord. My lord, kindly come to the annexer P1, page 18, my lord. The resolution taken by the, my lord, taken, my lord, for the appointment of the petitioner, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, page, my lord, 21, my lord.
Which line?
Yes, my lord.
Page 18, which line?
Which line, my lord? Kindly see, my lord, the
Tapon Das.
kindly फोर्थ মহাশয় উক্ত পাম্পে মানে স্থায়ী সমিতির অন্যতম সদস্য দেবু দেবনাথ মহাশয় উক্ত পাম্পের পাম্প অপারেটর হিসেবে তপন দাস পিতা দধিরাম দাস গ্রাম সাচান সাজমালের নাম প্রস্তাব করেন and they are in this meeting, my lord, it was selected by the petitioner, my lord. Kindly come to page 21, my lord. Page 21, dear letter, my lord, block development officer, my lord, send the same to the assistant engineer by letter dated 15 March 2024. Here, my lord, with reference to the subject cited above, I am sending herewith the resolution in the meeting of such and such, my lord, Samiti on dated, my lord, 4th 3/2024, my lord, for your kind information, kind necessary action, detailing are as follows. The name of the petitioner is there, my lord, Mr. Tapon Das, my lord. But till date, my lord, they have kindly come to the next page, my lord. Page 22, my lord. 26 July 2024, my lord. Here also, my lord, the engagement of the pump operator of PHE water supply scheme. This is earlier memo number such and such, my lord, appear on the above mentioned subject and reference under there are in this to state that the letter was sent to your office along with a copy of the resolution of this meeting of such and such, dated 14/3/2020 for this end. In this connection, this is also to inform you that no letter from your office asking for selection of the pump operator and sending the same to your office can be found in this office after prolonged search and register and record. In this connection, a letter received at this office from the Pradhan, Sachasan Gram Panchayat Malar, Sri Anil Kumar Bag, son of late Madan Mohan Bag Malar, village Sanchayat for appointment of the pump operator Jamuni water supply scheme, 4th, under Badalpur GP, is sent for your necessary action, my lord. Till date, next page,
This person petitioner is appointed as a pump operator in which place?
in each place it is kindly similar. The pump operator in page 21, my lord. Page 21, Jamuria AWS scheme, 4th TUL.
Then Anil Kumar Bag is a necessary party in the present proceeding. Anil Kumar Bag has been appointed.
Another scheme, my lord, but not this year. This, my lord. Kindly see, my lord, in another scheme, my lord.
Fourth tube. Same.
Okay, my lord. Then, my lord, your lordship allow me, my lord, to add the Anil Kumar Bag and sub copy, my lord, to the.
It will not come. Engagement of pump operator. So how many will be appointed?
Well, one person will be appointed. Well, he is not. His name was not recommended by the concerned panchayat, my lord. But
on the prayer of,
as per resolution, my name was appointed.
Advocate for the petitioner, leave is granted to implead the Anil Kumar Bag son of late Madan Mohan Bagh of village Halalpur, post office Junbani, PA, police station Kantai district, Purva Mednipur, as a necessary, sorry, has added respondent number 9 in the present writ petition. Petitioner is directed to serve the copy of the writ petition along with his annexures to the added respondent number 9 and file affidavit to register speed post with acknowledgement due and file affidavit of service on the written evidence. This is matter of 2 weeks
Deep appraisal.
under the same heading. Shakta for
Lordship, in this matter, Mr. Jyoti Prakash Chatterjee is appearing. He is down with fever, Your Lordship. I am playing for an accommodation, Your Lordship. Could be taken up tomorrow, Your Lordship?
tomorrow 25 matters.
Then Monday. Tomorrow 25 matters.
On the prayer of learned advocate for the petitioner, is this matter on 24th of Mongolwar to Tuesday, 4th, 4th, 5th, 5th of
Grateful, Your Lordship. 5th of August.
5th.
5th of August. Grateful.
Number 21.
This one is number 7.
Yes, the my director advocate for the petition. Because there is pending will or partisan so in the petition right there. There's some director supporting the order of the injunction order. Mr. Sayan Banerjee was appearing. Yes. For it up. For it to pass over. You have the copy of the injunction order? Chalo. For it up. Pass over. None appears on behalf of the petitioner. Nor any accommodation has been sought for. On the last occasion, the petitioner failed to, that is 2nd July 2025, the petitioner failed to appear. In view of the above, the writ petition being number WPA 2108 of 2024 stands dismissed for default. All connected applications are adjourned. Nil.
I am for the petitioner. Lordship, the matters relates to interest on gratuity, Lordship. It's a settled principle, Lordship. I have submitted the coordinate bench's order.
Affidavit.
Yes, Lordship. Affidavit of service and the corrected order, Lordship.
Who is for the state?
That I don't know. I have subbed, Lordship.
Only the state is the party.
Lordship?
State is the only party.
Yes, Lordship. State is only. DI and DPPG.
When did you retire?
31st January 2016, Lordship.
2016. You are receiving the family pension.
Lordship?
Family pension you are receiving.
Lordship, interest on gratuity on arrear pension.
Are you receiving the family pension or pension has been
Yes,
received?
Lordship, I have receiving the family.
When the pension you are receiving.
Yes, Lordship.
Gratuity that has not been disbursed.
No, Lordship.
What is this judgment?
Corrected order.
Oh.
Petitioner was an approved executive assistant of Gram Panchayat, Vivekananda Gram Panchayat.
Stated of the appear to affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petition is taken on record. None appears on behalf of the state. Kaji Hussain ke appear kon. Mr. Hussain. Mr. Hussain. You are for the state? You are in the state panel?
Yes, my lord, but in the group C, my lord, I am in the.
Group C means? Group C?
Group C means I can't appear in alone, my lord.
Oh, then who can appear alone for the state?
Okay, my lord. My lord, I am appearing for group D.
You will appear. Come this side. The state is unrepresented. Mr. Swenslow usually appears on behalf of the state. Is requested to appear in this matter. Okay. Give a copy. Is this matter on next week রাখো 24 কবে আসবে 6th August. Learned advocate state is directed to take any report will be necessary in this because he is seeking that interest on the gratuity has not been disbursed. बोलो the report बोलो state is directed to furnish a report 5th August. Give a copy of that.
Lordship.
State will file a report on the returnable date 5th August.
5th August, Lordship.
5th.
Correctly. 4821. Hey, Jay.
After the final, we are taken on refund upon the service not been effected. Petitioner, it doesn't matter. What is the prayer in the writ petition?
Illegal construction.
Not appearing.
Prayer to consider representation. Prayer is only to consider representation, your lordship. They have made a representation for demolition to consider that.
You have no objection to that. You have no objection.
I am with the state. The panchayat will do.
No, no, Mr. Ganguly
He is the private respondent. But the petitioner
is not here. None appears on behalf of the petitioner, nor any affidavit of service is fine. Private respondent 15 to 21, as well as the state is represented. For instance of justice, the matter is adjourned. Fifth is ecology. 6.
6. Lordship, your lordship, I'm praying before I develop. I will seek leave to appear virtually on that.
Okay.
25.
मुझे बार करते हुए रिकॉर्ड with returnable motion. It'll record. None appears on behalf of the petitioner. Or into the material. বাড়তি দিন ঝিমিয়ে পড়েছিল না আচ্ছা you are there for the petitioner?
No, my lord. Item number 22, my lord. I was engaged in court number 14, my lord. That is, I could not appear, my lord. Yesterday, I was here.
5 তারিখে রেখে 5 বা 6 তারিখ 5 তারিখে রেখে 22 কি হয়েছে ডিসমিসড হয়েছে কি বলতে দেখি
My lord, fixed at 2 p.m. I shall inform the other side. Yesterday, he was also, my lord, present here, my lord.
কেটে দিন 22
Yes.
2 p.m. nothing will happen ঠিক আছে দুটোর সময় নেব 22টা কেটে দিন ডিসমিস ফর ডিফল্ট 22টা দুটোর সময় ডাকবেন 2 p.m. সেকেন্ড হাফে ডাকবেন 21টা পাস ওভার আছে 22টা হচ্ছে সেকেন্ড হাফে ডাকবেন
Item number 26.
ঠিক আছে, same ওরকম none appears on behalf of the petitioner for instance justice the matter is adjourned. none appears একটা ডেট দিয়ে দাও, 5th আসুক।
Password 20 मतलब बहुत सारे पेज मिला
20
21 पासवर्ड मेरा मतलब मिस्टर Banerjee Junior has given
21টা দিন তো।
Number 21.
My lord, I beg to appear. I am for the petitioner, lordship.
Where is that copy?
Lordship.
Copy of the injunction order.
Lordship. No, it no. My lord. Status को बोलेगा ना तो आपको confusion करो ना क्या चेक कीजिएगा order dated call करेगा both the plaintiff and defendant thereby status कौन सा था
হ্যাঁ,
page number
page number 1.
one lordship yeah it's brother I can এটা কি হ্যাঁ এটা এটা কত এটা করছে একটা ধরেছে सबके बोलता है उनकी वो डायरेक्शन
PLR is not made a party that cannot be
my lord before the pending civil suit and grant obtaining the petitioner injunction both party are status quo maintain violate and made construction and police help
Filed an application for violation of the injunction order. Have you filed that?
lordship
You have filed application.
lordship I
কি বলছে শোনো আগে যে করেছে তারপর অ্যাপ্লিকেশন দরকারে ফাইল করেছো প্লিজ হেল্প দিয়েছে তো ধাপ তো সেটা কোথায়
parties are only pending, it is clearly on the mirror scene. So
my lord grant for me police help 151 petition lordship kindly page
You have
26
not filed any application for violation of the injunction order. No. Any application filed under Order 39, Rule 2A
Lordship.
Filed.
Lordship, 151 file
What are
not
proceeding
fine, Lordship.
is for
Not.
violation? You say that injunction order has been violated. They have made a construction. Have you filed any application?
No, Lordship.
Ashu.
এগুলো পার্টি করা হয়েছে এই তো ভিডিও
This writ petition is fine. Seeking direction upon the respondent authorities for demolition of the construction made by the private respondent. The writ petitioner, the petitioner contains that the petitioner and the private respondent number 7 are the joint owners of the property comprised within tag number 746 under Khutian number
747
28502851, jail number 46 under Mouja
मतलब
Habla.
दाग नंबर 747 Lordship.
747.
हाँ representation kindly see Lordship.
Page number 29.
29 Lordship.
Page 3 of the writ petition 746.
Typing mistake Lordship. Typing mistake. हाँ typing mistake Lordship. 29 Lordship.
Seven foot seven.
Page number 25, my lord. Record of rights 747, my lord.
So why, who prevented you to write 747 in the writ petition?
Abandonment typing mistake Lordship.
This is a joint property.
Joint property Lordship.
747 code. Mouja ki Habla. PS Gangasagar Coastal. The respondent have made illegal construction over the joint property without sanctioned building plans.
Lordship.
The petitioner filed a civil suit being title suit number 65 of 2021, wherein an order of status quo has been passed. His representation was made before the concerned authority on 16th November 2023, which has not been considered as yet, hence this writ petition. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the private respondents have undertaken work of construction during the pendency of the injunction order passed by the civil court. He seeks that the matter be relegated to the Pradhan to cause inquiry and dispose of the representation court. Dispose of the representation of the petitioner dated 16th November 2023. Learned advocate for the, on the contrary, learned advocate for the petitioner, respondent number 7, submits that the entire dispute is civil in nature. She seeks for dismissal of the writ petition. Learned advocate for the state submits that the construction has been made without any permission. Be that as it may, he also submits that the matter is civil in nature and should be adjudicated by the civil court. It is not in dispute that at the instance of the petitioner, a title suit for partition, a title suit being number TS number 65 of 2021, seeking for partition of the property in question, is filed before the Civil Judge Junior Division, Learned Civil Judge Junior Division, Kagdi, South Chowbish Pargana. In the said suit, an order of injunction
Kartik civil judge,
not civil judge,
Junior,
civil judge, senior division.
senior division.
senior division.
Sir, you are not going through the petition that is typed by your typist. In para 4, you write junior division. In the order, it is senior division. What is this happening, sir?
Time.
This should have been corrected at the time of filing. It is senior or junior?
Senior division lordship. Typing machine lordship.
Senior division. কি বলুন? Pass. That both the plaintiffs and the defendant number 1 are to maintain status quo in respect to suit property regarding nature and character till disposal of the suit. Thus, it appears that the entire dispute is civil in nature. Accordingly, the writ petition is not maintainable. However, it is left open to the petitioner to approach the civil court.
Without plan and sanction lordship, made a construction.
Go to the civil court, there is a violation. Let the civil court adjudicate what is the violation. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Report জন্য বলো।
Next. Yes, on behalf of the petitioner. To be safe, February. None appears on behalf of the petitioner for information matter. You are for the state. State is represented. For the matter that John gets this matter on 4th. না কবে আসবে? 5th. Sorry, 5th.
In this matter, I am for the petitioner. My lord, very innocuous prayer. My representation should be considered by the concerned video page 48, my lord. What happened? The private respondent is the owner of my neighboring land, but they have digging the pond. Nature of the land is Danga, digging the pond so deep at any point of time, my building may be collapsed. I have lodged complaint. As per complaint, the local video deputed the revenue inspector to inquire and submit the report, page 45. My lord, kindly see 44. Yes. No, dispose of the matter, only consideration, both the parties with opportunity of hearing.
You are for the state.
I am the state, my lord. Let the video.
Yes.
Consider the
Video.
consider the video.
48 page, my
It
lord.
has not come.
Yeah, come, my lord, you don't make my lord.
Consideration order.
I have some difficulty. I'm
Tomorrow,
Tomorrow not possible. Prayer will advocate for the private respondent.
My lord, top of the list, my lord, kindly.
Not top. You position is lower down then. You are representing all the respondents.
13.
Private respondent 10 to 13.
they are the next door.
Six.
neighbor.
Yes.
Accommodation. Is this matter on 6th August?
Bobby?
6 August.
Eh?
6 August.
Oh.
Hello, item number 37 and 40. Kindly not to. Number 37 and 40. Only don't do it.
6th August.
It is not reached. 37 and 45. Okay. Will you take it?
Number
29 we are
I know.
I'm for the private
Oh, yeah, go.
I am for the state mic.
petitioner.
Petitioner is not present.
Let me come back.
I appear. Last occasion, petitioner.
None appears on behalf of the petition. This matter is appearing under the heading to be mentioned. None appears on behalf of the petitioner, nor any accommodation has been sought for. On the last occasion, that is 28 July 2025, the petitioner failed to appear. In view of the above, the writ petition being number W231
That's why he is not appearing.
23182 of 2023 dismissed for default.
Item number.
Item number 2, my lord, I appear for the petitioner.
Petitioner.
I appear for the petition in item number 2. My lord, 2 and 3, your lordship, my lord, are of same cause of action, my lord. In item number 3, my lord, they are for the petitioner. My lord, this matter, my lord, pertains to, my lord, we being the majority of member. 2 or 3 একসাথে।
10. Who is for the state in 2? Your. And for 3? 3. Right. Yes.
Now, my lord, we being the majority of members, my lord, moved a notice of motion for removal of, my lord, শিল্প ও পরিকাঠামো মেম্বার ফর শিল্প and পরিকাঠামো উপসমিতি। Now, my lord, this notice has not proceeded, my lord, since the BDO is postponing the, my lord, motion for want of police protection. Now, my lord, today was the date fixed for notice of fixed for hearing of motion. Now, today was also postponed, my lord. This is my instruction.
So what is your prayer?
But my prayer is that, my lord, let the same be proceeded with.
No convene motion in
My lord, my lord, the postponing notice that has been served upon me, my lord, that I am placing before your lordship.
Under the relevant provisions. Form 1F. June. Where is the?
My lord, page 77 is our, my lord, representation. Consequently, my lord, page 77 is letter dated 20th of May 2025 is our representation.
No, this is a notice of motion.
Yes. Now, my lord, 21st of May, my lord, BDO issued that notice. Page 80.
26th May. 26th.
21st of May, page 80. Page 80, my lord, can you see? Page 80, 80. 80, 80. P4.
2 p.m.
On 22nd of May at 2 p.m., hearing was fixed.
After that, nothing has taken.
After that, my lord, page 81 and onwards, my lord, due to, my lord, police, non-availability of police protection, the hearing is being postponed, my lord, till date. Today it is also postponed, my lord. This is the notice, my lord. I have been, my lord, served by electronic mode.
Due to circumstances to receive from IC in this Bazaar police station, the meeting or removal. So this is what is the ground? This is 213 capital A.
Yeah, yes, sir.
It is the application under 213.
No, not 213. It is my 32A, my lord. It should be under 32A because
32A.
yes, it's a member removal of a member of Shilpo and Pori. 22 subsection 4 of the West Bengal Panchayat Constitution Rules 1975. May I place, my lord, the provision? My lord. West Bengal Panchayat Constitution Rule, Section 22.
2004.
1975, my lord. West Bengal Panchayat Constitution Rules, 1975. না সব বইয়ে পেজ সমান থাকে না।
What is your page number?
My lord, my page number is 623. May I place the book, my lord? It will be
দাও বইটা দাও তো।
my lord.
না পেয়েছি কনস্টিটিউশন 1975 একই বই একই। 32A.
32A is the section for my lord Panchayat Uposomiti, and the removal process, my lord, is enshrined in section 22 of my lord West Bengal Panchayat Constitution Rules 1975.
22, yes. After giving an option to sue cause or remove a member or that the members.
May I place, my lord, sub rule 4?
Any one member more than one members of committees at any time after 1 year for date of constitution be removed by a resolution of Gram Panchayat there will be majority of the meetings was convened for the purpose. For yes, read A.
Sub rule 4A.
Yes.
Well, this, my lord, is being postponed, my lord, by the BDO. My prayer is that let the meeting be convened within a specific period, so that, my lord, the process can be continued.
Lordship, I am appearing for here, my lord.
Now, my lord, they have filed one writ application challenging the notice. Now, my lord, in that writ application, my lord, subject to correction, we are not the party in their writ application.
Okay. In 13704 state.
Respondent number 5 police has instructed that they will take the police protection on 19th July 2005. The report has been submitted to your lordship. What is further development that I can already contact today with the concerned authority, but they cannot respond to me. The last page number, they have mentioned that they will provide the police protections on 19th July 2020.
What is this report? Not feasible, 30th July. Now, who has postponed it to 30th July?
Yes.
Why did the inspector in charge writes that it is not feasible to provide adequate police force on 30th July?
Right.
He has fixed it on 30th July.
Yes.
What state was there was fixed at 4 p.m.
Oh.
One motion, and we have already
Referring to an incident on 6th July, he cannot provide police assistance on 30th July. What continues happening? This is the mandate of law. Now, for the police force being not provided to the video, you will see tight over the matter. So, how the mandate of the law is to be followed? One after the other, the adjournments are being given. The matter is getting deferred. Whatever you decide, you decide. But only on the ground you can have, suppose, a predicament on a particular date. That is deferred. Again, you file an application that stating that yes, there is a difficulty in providing. So what was the authority is there if the mandate of law is not followed? Try to understand. The police is here, the block development has approached. Now, one day they cannot provide. For months together, this has not been provided. In the month of May, they have filed a motion which has been placed for removal. This meeting ought to have been conducted. Provide whatever the logistics is required, you provide that. Yes, sir.
I am appearing for the petitioner in item number 3. My lord, my principal allegation is against the prescribed authority, my lord, in issuing Form 1F, my lord, within the provision of Rule 22, Sub-Rule 4, Subsection 3, Sub-Rule C, my lord, Clause C. Now, if your lordship kindly take, my lord, Clause C of Rule 22, Sub-Rule 4, my lord.
Yes.
My lordship would be pleased to find, my lord, that the prescribed authority is under the mandate, my lord, to issue Form 1F within 5 working days of the receipt of the motion, my lord.
In which clause?
My lord, Clause C, my lord. Sub-Rule 4, Rule 22, Sub-Rule 4, my lord, Clause C.
Yes. That has been done.
Issue notice with agenda form 1 within 5 working days of issue motion, meeting of answer to get its office, syndicated or sending such notice. Yes.
My lord. So, my lord, the first infringement in issuing the impugned notice in Form 1F appearing at page 19 of your lordship's brief, my lord, is the date. I'm sorry, my lord, I stand correct, my lord. At page 21, appearing as annexure P6, my lord, is beyond that 5 working days. My lord, it is on second, after 2 months, my lord.
Yes.
Now, that is, my lord, the first infringement. Now, if your lordship reads on that clause itself, my lord, the second mandate is that, my lord, after the issuance of this particular Form 1F, the meeting for removal has to be held, my lord, within an outer limit of 15 working days, my lord. My lord, if your lordship counts the 15 working day from the date of motion, my lord, subject to correction by my learned friends, my lord, it will come to 19th of 9th of, my lord, May, June, 9th of June, my lord.
9th of June.
My lord. 20th May, my lord, and 9th of June. 20th May was the date of motion, my lord, that was issued. And my lord, 9th of June will be the outer limit of 15 working days, my lord, by which the BDO was under an obligation under law, my lord, to hold that meeting, my lord, for my removal. Now, my lord, if your lordships kindly takes the impugned notice in the form 1F appearing at page 21 of your lordship's brief in item number 3, my lord. Item number 3 is, my lord, 16762 of 2025. Page 21, my lord. Annexure P6, my lord. Lordships have it, my lord. My lord, kindly notes the date, my lord, when it was issued, my lord, 17/7, after 2 months, my lord, almost 2 months, 25 and 17/7, my lord.
Date of receiving of authorization meeting shall not postpone or cancel except in or for any beyond control of the operating council. It shall not be later than 16 working days.
My lord, lordship has seen, my lord. Is your lordship on D, my lord? I am for the moment, my lord, I'm placing C. I will come to D, my lord. I will address your lordships on D, my lord. For the moment, I'm on C, my lord. There are two requirements of C, my lord. One is within 5 days from the receipt of motion, my lord, within 5 working days, my lord, the form 1F has to be issued. That is the first requirement, my lord. The second requirement is that, my lord, within 15 working days from the date of receipt of the motion, my lord, the meeting for my removal has to be held, my lord. In both these requirements, my lord, notice at appearing at page 21 fails, my lord, on both these counts, my lord. That is number as far as C is concerned. Now, lordship may kindly come to clause D, my lord. Clause D says, my lord, that this entire exercise, my lord, has to be completed within 15 days of the receipt of motion. That means, my lord, after 15 days, the motion, initial motion brought against me, my lord, loses its, spent its force, my lord, and become non-est in the eye of law, my lord. That is first part of D, my lord. The second part says, my lord, there is a provision for postponement. Now, my lord, in my respectful submission, my lord, this postponement has to be within the first part. That means, my lord, this postponement can be made, my lord, provided that it is within 15 days, my lord. That is the outer limit. My lord, on this count also, my lord, then on 3 counts, my lord, the motion fails, my lord. Now, my lord, since I am the petitioner in item number 3, my lord, my respectful submission today before your lordship is that, my lord, this impugned notice may be set aside, my lord, by allowing the writ petition.
No, it has been deferred. When
Deferred.
it
It has been deferred
Deferred, my lord,
from 21st of May
when
till
it is
date.
deferred, madam? When it is deferred now? Today's meeting is postponed.
Yesterday
Ask
deferred
the
to
block
public-
development officer. I am passing an order seeking explanation of not following the mandate of law.
Yes. Yes.
If it is not done, then again the direction will be given to the petitioner in item number 2. You go and file a fresh motion.
My lord.
And if satisfactory explanation does not come, he has to face disciplinary consequences. This cannot go on like this. Knowing fully well that 5 days mandate is there, 5 days, within 15 days it has to be made. Why is deferring one after the other? Why? There has to be some cogent reason that yes, for such and such reason, but that cannot go beyond 15 days. When is the next date fixed? You ascertain from the block development officer when it has been postponed. Within this period, I will ask him to seek an explanation from him. Why he has not done so? Why the petition in item number 2 will be, whether you decide whether it is correct or incorrect, we decide within the mandate of law.
My lord, এটা জমা দেওয়া হয়ে গেছে।
I am not on this. My only issue is that in item number 3, they have raised the issue that the motion has become lost its force, it has become infructuous. Only because the block development officer has not acted upon, it has become infructuous. What is the fault on the part of petitioner in item number 2? No. It is not acceptable. Atun.
My lord, on my turn, my lord, I have submitted one document regarding postponing. My lord, it is, my lord, not written.
When
My lord,
date
I am
has not
supplying,
been,
my lord, another copy, my lord. It only says that it is postponed. When it will be done, that has not been written there. ওটাই বলেছি, ওটাই দেখি নামগুলো সব।
Yeah. 2. This matter is appearing under the heading 2 we mentioned. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seek for specific direction upon the respondent authorities, particularly who is respondent number 6? What is the prescribed authority?
Respondent number 6, block development officer.
6.
আমারটায়
2. Respondent 2. Respondent 2. 2.
Respondent number
Prescribed authority is respondent number 2.
video is the best. Respondent 2.
Respondent number 2,
Video,
particularly respondent number 2, to convene meeting of no confidence motion in terms of the petition filed by the petitioner, submitted by the petitioner under, where is your petition?
Page 77.
উইথ করে দিয়ে এটাকে, বুঝলে? তো একই জিনিসের রিলেটেড, উইথ করে নাও, সেটা বেটার হবে। Under sub rule 4, rule 22 of the West Bengal Panchayat Constitution Rules 1975. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that majority members have that submits that the application, the petition under Rule 22, sub Rule 4 of the West Bengal Panchayat Constitution 1975 was submitted before the prescribed authority on 20th May 2025 by majority, signed by majority members of the which Gram Panchayat? Narhatta Gram Panchayat. Narhatta Gram Panchayat. However, the prescribed authority on several occasions have deferred / postponed the meeting for removal of respondent number
6.
6.
Yes.
Respondent number 6 without any rhyme or reason, and has contravened the provisions embodied under Panchayat Rules of 1975. Being agreed by such inaction on the part of respondent number 2, the petitioner has preferred the present writ petition. Learned advocate for the state submits that due to insufficient police force, the meeting could not be convened. She files a report which is it a 1-3. provides a report which is taken on record. Learned advocate for the petitioner in WPA 16762 of 2025 submits that I grant you leave to implead him as a necessary party in your writ petition. On the prayer of learned advocate for the petition in WPA 13704 of 2025, leave is granted to implead the petitioners.
One of them, if I implead my lord, they can represent all. Interest of all will be represented.
Yes, yes.
Implead the petitioners in WPA 13704 of 2025. How many petitioners are there?
17 are there, my lord.
17 are there.
I will go on.
My lord,
Petitioner number 1, I will implement.
let him implead my lord only Kaji Arif. My lord, that is the constituent attorney holder of the other petitioners.
Who is petitioner in?
Petitioner in my lord item number 2, Kaji Arif. 13407.
Implead Kaji Arif. Implead Kaji Arif, petitioner number 1 in WPA 13704 of 2025.
13704.
Learned advocate for the petitioner in WPA 16762 of 2025, referring to Rule 22(4), submits that the Form 1F has been issued by the prescribed authority after lapse of 5 working days. Furthermore, such notice of motion has lost its force since 15 working days have already elapsed. It is informed by the learned advocates that the meeting has been further postponed by the prescribed authority. In view of the above, the Block Development Officer, English Bazaar Development Block Malda, is directed to furnish explanation as to why the mandate of law as per provisions of Rule 22, 4C and D of West Bengal Panchayat Constitution Rules 1975 has not been followed on the returnable date. Let a copy of this order, you serve a copy of this order to the Block Development Officer.
I will serve.
Learned advocate for the petitioner in both the writ petitions are directed to serve copy of this. Communicate this order to the Block Development Officer, English Bazaar Development of Malda.
My lords, may I pray for my lord one kind indulgence? Since your lordship is seeking explanation from the video, my lord, can the order be served through my lord registered channel, my lord? Since your lordship is seeking explanation from video, my lord,
okay,
let him submit officially.
State can communicate this order to him.
Yes, state also can communicate.
Let the state communicate then.
Right.
Let the state communicate. State is directly communicate this order.
Lordship.
Yes. We will be having this hearing. দেখো তো কবে আসছে? এটা তো 25 এর মোশন। নেক্সট থার্সডে দিন নেব।
Next,
7th August.
My lord.
No. Otherwise, I would have asked him to remain present in court. That is not required right now. Let him file the explanation. Let us find out why he has not followed.
My lord. Grateful, Lord.
Also, may I submit one line, my lord? In this item 2, my lord, my only submission is the mentality of the petition may kindly be kept open, my lord. In the next,
What mental?
because my lord,
You are for whom?
petition, respondent 6, my lord.
You respond number 6. Take it.
My lord, response number 6 is in item number 2 is the petitioner in item number 3.
Mr. Chattopadhyay is there. He is here. Again, you will submit on behalf of
2 persons.
Let senior was submitting, my lord, since the motion against which they want the prescribed authority now to act, my lord, has lost its force, my lord. That is how, my lord.
We cannot revive something which has lost its
Yes,
force.
that is
I
how,
am
my lord.
seeking explanation from why this has happened.
That can be sought in my writ petition, but his writ petition, according to my
Both
lord,
will be with Kodaura. A single order is passed in both the writ petitions.
Yes.
Along with this, both the applications will be taken up.
My
There
lord.
is no
that
question
is
of
the
it.
ground, my lord, he was
My lord.
trying hard.
Grateful.
Next Thursday. I am grateful, my lord.
Yes, thank you.
Item number 4. Who can prevent it?
Or a care.
State election commission.
Sonal Sinha.
Petitioner did not appear.
None appear nor in accommodation has been sought for. Who is for the petition?
On the last occasion, your lordship.
Then I will write the report of the past. What is the grievance?
Grievance is that one, he wants to be
Number of votes counted is incorrect.
considered winning candidate and he wants to be a part of the
What?
board.
Recounting. It is me. None appears on behalf of this matter is appearing under the heading to be mentioned. None appears on behalf of the petitioner. The West Bengal State Election Commission is represented. Respond number 2 and 3. State is there. State is also represented. In view of the above, the writ petition being WPA 23275 of 2023 is dismissed for default. All connected applications. Yeah. The date ta diye do 28 July. Previous date ta chilo 28 20th. কোথায় যাবো? তোর আবার একটা মিসপ্লেস হয়ে গেছে? Seven.
Let I am for the state respondent.
Why to be mentioned?
I'll just go over the fact a little bit. The respondent number 9, the private respondent, initially complained of an unauthorized construction in LR plot number 1246, which is the property of the petitioners rather, in the year 2021, and preferred an appeal before a coordinate bench of this court. And my lord, after a writ application, sorry, and after that, the court had directed the respondent authorities, that is the Gram Panchayat, to act in accordance with law and give a reasoned order as to their findings. The lordship being aggrieved by that, we had also come up in a writ application in WP 22873, again before a coordinate bench of this court, and thereby on 14/1/2025, it was directed that the SDO, which is the respondent number 3 here, shall conduct hearing by giving opportunity of hearing to all the parties and then pass a reasoned order regarding the same. So, Lordship, the respondent number 3 has given a detailed report, which is at page number 76, page number 67 of the application. And the operative portion of that is at page number 76, 77, and 78. Your Lordship,
Who is the petitioner in WPA 15461?
We
You are the petitioner. There is no 76 page number in here.
76, 77, and 78.
Nothing is there. If you have not annexed, then file a supplementary. 67, 68 is 67 is the last page. You check the file. Don't hand over like that. You check the file. If those are required, then you seek a leave. File a supplementary appeal. Which is the other writ petition? Any connecting? Any other writ petition is pending connecting with this?
No. Previously, they moved a application before Honorable Justice submitted.
চেঞ্জ করে
ওটা হ্যান্ড ওভার করা যাবে
petitioner. Thereafter, the authority will pass it. Order is this period, there is deviation from the period that is Prime Minister's period. This is the report they have handed over where they have constructed unauthorized construction. And last there is a order of demolition.
Okay.
They are challenging the order of demolition, but they have not annexed, neither annexed nor subsequently they have filed any supplementary application. This is the actual position.
Hey, Devnath Babu.
Not if kindly have a face that is Vrindavan Haldar. He is occupying the land which is beyond the scheme of Jojona. Thus, there is a order of demolition because previously the coordinate bench was pleased to direct the respondent authority to act in accordance with
56, 57.
If there is a violation, that order was passed, but they didn't annex the order of demolition and subsequently not they have filed any supplementary.
Order of demolition is at page 57, ma'am. 55, 56, and 57.
So you are not filing any supplementary application?
No, Your Lordship. Lordship, we have basically
First is the demolition.
the date of demolition is 31/7/2025.
Tomorrow.
So, Lordship, basically this has two facets to it. The initial complaint was directed against the Pakka structure, which in the said order, in the impugned order, was found to be in line with the PMAY Gramin Yojana. And in subsequent findings, without any application on the part of the private respondents, it was discovered apparently by a field survey that there are unauthorized structures which are kacha in nature. Lordship, I draw your attention to section 23, subsection 2, the second proviso, which says that if it is a mud wall structure with thatched roof or tin shed or tile shed, it is exempt from permissions. Read with Rule 19 of the West Bengal Gram Panchayat Administrative Rules 2004. And further, the structures in question, Your Lordship, they are in existence in 1966. I have annexed the deed, my lord, and no new structure has been constructed on there. Only minor repair works have been conducted.
You have received the money under the scheme?
Yes, Your Lordship.
For making construction.
That has been
you have not made construction, you repaired the...
No. I have completed construction. There are two constructions here. Three actually. That was found to be legal. The Pakka constructions against which the allegations were meted out, they were held to be in line. The Pakka constructions against which the complaint was initially lodged, they were found to be in consonance with the PMAY scheme. They have been completed and it was found to be in line with the law. And further, if Lordship kindly sees page 56, it is observed that in addition to that, a kacha structure has been constructed. But your lordship, we submit that the same Kacha structure had been there since 1966. The deed is annexed there. You have annexed the deed, my lord. You have not constructed any further Kacha structure.
Well, and my instruction is this, my lord, that considering all the reports and documentary evidence, it is revealed that the area of both unauthorized Kacha house marked as A2 and A4 are, my lord, above 80 square feet. So, my lord, which overruled under section 23,
No.
my lord, of the West Bengal Panchayat Amendment Act. That is the, my lord, report
We
submitted
admit
by
that it is a Kacha structure, my lord. But section 23, the second proviso to section 23.
Both start speaking, I gave you time.
Yes, apologies.
When she is speaking, if you speak, I cannot understand. Yes.
And acquiring the land that is below 18 square meters, একটু দেখবেন Joseph, that is the report of the SQ below, paragraph 9, Lordship, kindly have a look to this.
Findings. Findings. The two structures are 432 and 495 square feet. দেখতে দেখতে
Item number 6.
হ্যাঁ ওটাই টানতে থাকে
So A2 and A4 are to be removed. A2 and A4.
A2 and A4, yes. Like they have already constructed a Paka construction, dwelling house, and has a Kacha dwelling house of 432 square feet. That is A4.
A4, yes. A2 belongs to Subal.
Yes, sir. It is a joint property.
Paragraph 7 is very important. That is on 19th of May 25, report received from the BLLR. And I have already handed over the report of the BLLR. Where it has been reported that on the suit land, Dolit Haldar as a Kancha dwelling house of 675 square feet. Subul Haldar as a Kancha dwelling
Lordship, the
house of
entire
675 square feet, and Virendra Haldar, the present date petitioner, has a brick wall dwelling house of 1235 square feet marked as A3 and as a Kancha dwelling house of 432 square feet.
Lordship, the entire appurtenant land is almost 7,500 square feet. It is a joint property, and it was purchased in tranches from 1966 to right up to 2014. So in any case, the 3/4 rule does not apply here. It is less than 3/4 of the total appurtenant land.
What was the first order passed?
First order, my lord, was in
Earlier writ petition.
Yes, it was in 2022.
Radhakanto Sardar. This is of 2020.
8/8/2024.
কালকে থাকে এটা তুই মেনশন কালকে রাখুন কালকে টু বি মেনশন থাকে
Lordship, the Lordship, kindly directs no coercive action in the meantime till, because the
রেকর্ড করবে ইউ আর ফর দি প্রাইভেট রেসপন্ডেন্ট এটা দিন থাকবে দেবনাথ বাবু affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Learned advocate for the petitioner. अरे भाई
and thereafter this inquiry
শুনতে পাচ্ছি
instead of challenging the fact finding authority, that is the inspection report of the Gram Panchayat, they are now coming before your lordship.
There is no provision of appeal. Sorry.
The order of the
There is no provision of appeal here.
That he is the honorable division bench of this honorable justice.
Joint property with whom?
Honorable division bench decided over by honorable justice Devanshu Bhatt.
Joint property with his own brothers, not with him.
There is no medical on record to establish that there was a partition amongst the owners of the two and by officer. Reliance is signed by the private party. On behalf of the appellant's content, there was a partition declaration and partition by the appellant because dismissed for default. Here also, while the is pending between the parties, but while unauthorized construction is not within the purview of signature, but I am not traveling with also. Then, while the next paragraph, paragraph 15, writ petitioner does not acknowledge that the property was partitioned by meets and bounds by virtue of the state as thought to be relied upon by the appellant. Writ petitioner also denies any partition of the two plots by the meets and bounds. As on date, therefore, there is no material on record to establish that there was partition of the two plots by meets and bounds amongst the owner of the
So what if there is no partition?
Admittedly, the writ petitioner is a co-sharer in respect of two plots. They are admitted to you.
Yes.
Claiming all the right of the respect thereof again admitted either at the stage of application for conversion or for the grant of regularization.
কালকে টু বি মেনশন রাখ
As then did not.
In the meantime, Lordship kindly directs that no coercive action be taken.
কালকে টু বি মেনশন
Because the time given there is 12 p.m. Your Lordship in the notice.
not help you We have to go through entire records.
Yes, but Lordship, the petition may become infructuous by then.
Because advocate for the petitioner submit that রেকর্ডটা দিন তো এখন 11th hour
দাও দাও আরে এইটা রেকর্ডটা দিতে হবে। এটা কি দিলে সার্ভিসটা দিতে বলেনি, রেকর্ডটা দিতে বলেছে। সার্ভিস
submits that. Which is the order impugned? The order.
The SDO.
Order
SDO
of
diamond.
SDO. Respond number 3 dated 16 June 2025. Affidavit service to Nina. 2025 is improper. The petitioners have made construction under the PMAY, Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, Awas Yojana. There is no illegality or unauthorized construction by the petitioner. Notice has been issued by the copy of notice. Issued for demolition on 31st July 2025 at 12 noon. Learned advocate for the state submits that after considering all the reports submitted by the Pradhan as well as Block Development Officer Mondir Bajar and BLLR Mondir Bajar, the order has been passed by the subdivisional officer for demolition of dwelling house marked as A2 and A4. Learned advocate for, you are for respond number 9. Respond number 9 submits that there is no illegality in the order passed by the subdivisional officer since the same has been passed pursuant to the order passed by this court in WPA 9601 of 2021 and WPCRC 107 of 2024. In view of the above, release this matter tomorrow under the heading to be mentioned. In the meantime, no coercive steps be taken by the state authorities. Till tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Please make a compilation of all the orders that has been passed in the proceedings so that it will be convenient for this court to understand what is the order passed.
Tomorrow matter will be taken.
Tomorrow matter will be taken up. In the meantime, no coercive steps be taken till the matter is heard.
Once we appear that
Under to be mentioned tomorrow. First matter, this will be taken up. To be mentioned, kalke rakho.